Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be talking about the project that I've just built. Now this was a small project and this was also a part of my college assignment that we needed to do. So I built this project using Python language so this is kind of an automation what I have built it. I also named it Alex. So let me first show you what Alex can do.
What can I do for you today?
Hey Alex, book movie Eternals.
So let me also explain how this whole works. I made a custom function so they get activated whenever a voice command is fired. Now a voice command could have every other voice command could have different functions. Okay, so now in the functions there are different steps. In steps I have mentioned that you should find this particular image on the screen. Once you find this image, click on that. Or there are other functions like, say for example, write something on this use keyboard to write something, or click on use mouse to click on something.
You can even use to fill up the same forms that you fill maybe it could be for some presentations or something, so you're filling the same details in every form, so you can just automate that and I'm going to show you how you can use my code to automate those things. Now if you're already good at Python, you can just skip the video if because I think so my code is self-explanatory, and so you can just go to my GitHub link that I've mentioned in my video description and see the code and make the changes. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how you can make the changes in my code, to make your own automation bot. So yeah, let me show you how you can, create your own automation bot. Okay, so what the automation bot should do is it should open up my website and it should go to this section. So he needs the automation, like the bot should perform certain steps. Okay, so let's say let me just first of all, wait a second. Okay, let me first create a function. So I will say def open website. Okay, now so what is the first step that the bot should perform? It should open, it should click on this Chrome icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Windows icon, Shift icon, and S icon, and it will open up the screenshot for software, and I can just drag this, select this out, and I can save this, save the screenshot. You can keep whatever name. I've already saved it. So what you need to do is you need to save that the image in the same folder as your main.py folder. Okay, so I've already saved this, as you can see. So it should so the function to search on the whole screen that particular image and need to click on this is, I've already created a function for that, is find im click. So that's find the image and then click on it. So that there, so it should chrome pic.png, right? So it should find that and click on that. So what should be the next step? So the next step for the bot should be, it should type here my website URL. So let me actually also copy my website URL. So yeah, another thing is that it should click here to in order to type that out. So what you can do, again, take a screenshot, save this out, save this. I also saved this already, so I'm not going to save it again. And it should again do the same step. So it should search pic.
What can I do for you today?
Sorry, it was actually already running in the background. Let me close this. Yeah, so search pic.png. So as you can see, search pic. So it should click on this. Once it has clicked on this, it should type my website URL. So another function that you can use that I already created in the code is key write. Just pass the sentence. So I will just pass, sorry, so I think so it didn't copy my website URL, so I'm just going to copy it again really quick. paste it here. Once it has typed my URL, what it should do is should press enter key. So there's another function I've already created here, and you can just go through my code. I've already mentioned what a particular function is doing, so it should be good. And if you want to want me to make a detailed video on the whole code, I will be happy enough to do that. Just mention down in the comments section, okay, and I will make that video, okay, explaining all the things about the code. So it should enter, right? Once it has entered, it will load up my website, and once it has loaded, it should scroll. So it should scroll to this section. So what I'm going to do is I will say mouse scroll, and it should scroll down. So that is why I need to give a negative value. Let me actually give it 2000, right? So I'm going to give it 2000 scroll, so that should scroll down. If you want to scroll it up, then you need to mention a positive value, okay? And another thing, so this might take a long time to load up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it some time, so it should give it some delay. So I'm going to give a 5-second delay, and then it will start the scrolling, okay? So now what I have to just do is I have to introduce this function into a voice command. So these are already the voice commands, like book, movie, and everything that I already created. I might have already deleted all these commands in the GitHub, so you can just type on if and just write there, okay? So let me say elif command. So if the voice command contains my and command dot contains website, so I will be like hey Alex, open up my website. So it should open the website. So my function name was open website. Once it has done that, it should again run the Alex, okay? So yeah, so let's run this. I will put the Alex. I will say let me actually go for this off.
What can I do for you today?
Hey Alex, open up my website.
Sorry, I don't understand your command.
Okay, so what was okay, so I forgot to say my. No problem, let's do this.
What can I do for you today?
Hey Alex, open my website. See, it started executing the commands in the same order. It's clicked on this, and 5-second delay, and it should add a scroll. So yeah, so that's how you can make your own bot and do the same. If where it could be used, it could be used in when you are doing the same task again and again. Let's say for example, when you are in the morning, when you are opening up your computer, maybe you want some the softwares to load up, okay? So that bot can load up the softwares. It can arrange in a particular order. If you want just mention all the steps and it will do the work. So yeah, it's up to you. You can explore the whole things and make it useful to you. You can even present this at your college presentation, and if there's any projects, if you want to present any project, you can make your own commands and present this project at your college. So yeah, if you want me to make a detailed video, just mention down in the comment section, and please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.